Nah, video ni lebih kurang dalam 1 minit 17 saat. Ini antara ni. Cuma dia sekarang dia gambar, kalau untuk account free dia bagi hanya B-roll untuk stock media sahajalah. Cuma kalau anda download dia ada satu watermark lah dekat bucu ni lah kan. Yang ini anda kalau nak padam senang aja pergi cari dekat internet watermark remover. Settle kan. So boleh anda ikhtiarkan menggunakan Hejen. Jom kita teruskan tengok pemerhatian seterusnya. Seterusnya kita boleh gunakan satu lagi.
Sora 2 just released.
Sora
The videos
2.
are getting millions of views. It's sloptimized and an IP lawyer's wet dream. Here's what's trending. Stick around to the end and I'll show you how to get a Sora code.
I can see him, SpongeBob. Step back right now.
I didn't mean to hurt them. They stung me first.
Don't move. You're under arrest for harming
No, I
wildlife.
can't go to jail.
Stop. Don't. Hey, stop running, SpongeBob. Stay away from me.
Evening. You know why I pulled you over? Is that a vest? Sir Bird, whatever. Keep those wings where I can see them. All right, step off the... Hey, don't! Hey, stop! Stop the bike! Dispatch rider just fled. Large pelican.
Let me tell you something, okay? You don't get rich hitting everybody on the block. You get rich when you know who wants what you got. The right customer, he make the deal easy, man. You talk his language.
When I led riders across the steppe, winning was not about sharper blades alone. It was about how many minds could decide in the moment. The same is true for our machines. Training builds strength, but...
Wake up, Sheepo. They don't want you to know that aliens invented Ozempic. Yeah, that's right. Little green dudes with lab coats are out there making everybody skinny so we won't notice the mind control chips in the nacho cheese. Open your eyes, guys. They give you a shot, you lose a...
It is. Oh, man, that's the boat. That's the actual boat. Whoa! Ow! The glass! It's cracking! Water's coming in! We gotta back up! We gotta go!
Alright, I'm going to show you how to do the perfect everyday glam. First step, blush. Just grab a ton of it, swirl it around, boom, right on there. If your face doesn't look like you just ran a marathon in the desert, you're not doing it right.
There are 2 ways to get access. Number 1, ask in the comments. I have a bunch of codes. Number 2, join the official OpenAI Discord. They drop codes non-stop in the chat.
Okay, Sora ni kalau nak pakai, pertama macam saya katakanlah benda ni dia belum ada dekat Malaysia lagi. So anda kena berada, kena buat VPN, anda kena berada di luar negara.
My skin used to be so red and stressed.
Oh, ini pakai Hejen ke ataupun yang ni? Tuan Nurul pakai apa ni? Yang ini. Jom kita tengok hasil kerja ni. Cantik ni. Acne Polish. Pakai Canva ya. Wow.
My skin used to be so red and stressed, but Acnepolis has completely transformed it. I feel so much more confident now.
Cantik. Alright. Okay. Nanti buat video sambungan ni lah. Okay. Alright. Cerita pasal tentang Sora ni. Okay, Sora ni kalau nak pakai, anda kena ada VPN. Yang mana anda bolehlah anda carilah dekat apa tu? Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad. Anda boleh cari je dekat Shopee, beli je lah RM8.50, RM8.90. Dapat VPN tu dan anda boleh tunnelkan anda punya connection pergi ke United States. Lepas tu anda sign up lah. Saya tak boleh transfer video AI tu kat telefon. Boleh. Kalau anda Tuan Abdul Rahman buat dekat apa? Tuan Abdul Rahman buat dekat Canva, masuk balik dekat file yang anda buat tu, nanti anda boleh download. Ya, pastikan login yang sama lah. Ya. Okay. Okay. Oh, pakai Jamie Jan. Okay, good. Itu anda pakai yang dah ada ni. Saya ada buat Canva dalam Google dengan Google Flow. Okay, alright.
Cikgu, masih ramai kat luar sana belum belajar AI. Oh, betul ke? Rugilah kalau tak belajar. Cikgu, kalau tak belajar AI, apa jadi? Jadi tertinggal lah. Pesaing kita dah move jauh ke depan, bro. Cikgu, ada tak kelas AI yang cover semua topik? Ada, kelas kita lah Kojul. Siap dapat buku free lagi. Pemodal AI wajib belajar cikgu. Mula-mula asas prompt. Lepas tu grafik, video, audio dan marketing guna AI.
Senang. Subscribe guys, jom nak join SIFY bisnes kami. Guys, sesuai bisnes office dan kegunaan kat rumah. Daftar sekarang.
RM30 je guys. Masukkan alamat, kami hantar buku ini ke rumah anda.